So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another hair product review for you guys. I recently received this product in my last Influenster box, so this was complimentary from Influenster, and since I actually tried it on my hair, I wanted to give you guys a review on it. And I did also do a little demonstration. I did not upload it because I went ahead and added the clips into this video so you guys can see. But it is the Not Your Mother's Naturals Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. So if you are interested to hear about this product, how I feel about this product and all of that good stuff, then keep watching. So once again, this is by Not Your Mother's, and this is their Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom. Now they do have other products with this, but since I got this in my Vox box from Influencer, all I got was the butter mask. So I actually do want to try the other products that they have that goes with this, so I'll probably end up buying that later on, and I'll probably do another review for you guys for that. But since I only have the butter mask, I'm just going to go ahead and talk about this. So before we get into what the product does and all that stuff, I wanted to talk about the packaging. Now, I absolutely love the packaging. It's real simple, but pink and green really goes together, and I really love how they did that. So the packaging is really cute. It gives you cute vibes. So I do like the packaging. So once again, this is the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Nutrient Rich Butter Mask. And this is basically a deep conditioner. So a deep conditioning with antioxidants to help restore damaged hair. Now my hair used to be damaged. My hair is not really damaged since I've gone natural in this 2 years of being natural. So my hair really is not really damaged, but like I said, Influencer sent it to me, so I was like, what the heck, let's go ahead and try it. And so I tried it. So on the back, well, of course, it's free of sulfate, silicone, gluten, parabens, and dyes. So it says on the back, Not Your Mother's Naturals begins with nourishing hair care, consciously made for you. Exotic natural blends and worry-free ingredients provide beautiful hair every day. So it says Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom, a detoxifying blend of matcha green tea and wild apple blossom enriches hair and scalp with antioxidants and nutrients for a deep clean. Nutrient-rich butter mask deeply conditions and aids in restoring damaged strands, preparing hair for a purified, fresh style. So it says directions: work into clean wet hair and massage through to the ends. Leave on hair 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and use once or twice a week. Since I have received this product, I have used it twice. I believe I used it last week and I used it the week before. So the week before was the first time that I used it. So after I had washed my hair and all of that stuff, I put this in my hair and left it on for 5 minutes. So I will insert the clip so you guys can see how I did that. after using it, you can't physically see a difference. You can more so feel a difference. So like I stated, my hair is not really damaged, and this is specifically for damaged hair. But at the same time, y'all know some products be for one thing and work for something else. But at the same time, after I used this, I did feel a difference in my hair. My hair was soft. My hair was soft. So I do give this a thumbs up because it did leave my hair soft. This is how it looks. It smells good as well, but it's white. The lighting is messing up, but it's white, so it don't even matter. Just letting you know that it's white, okay? So that's how it looks. But yeah, there was no physical difference in my hair. Maybe if you're up close, you can see that my hair was soft. In the actual clip that I put in this video for you guys to see, you can't really tell because my hair was wet. I had just rinsed it out. But like I said, I have tried this twice, and they recommend that you use once or twice a week. So really, I've used it once a week within these last 2 weeks. So I do plan on keep using this. I have added this in my wash routine when I wash my hair. I normally wash my hair on Wednesdays. So far I have added this in my wash routine for now. And like I said, it has left my hair soft. So to be honest, I wasn't really expecting to actually like this. I'm not sure why. I haven't really tried Not Your Mother's products, so I'm really not sure how they work in regards to my hair. But you know, this is a start. So like I had stated, I do want to use the other products that go with this particular one, so I will probably end up purchasing that and do a review for you guys on that. Just give this video a thumbs up if you do want me to try the other stuff. I think it's shampoo and conditioner. So let me know down below in the comments, as well as give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a review from the other product. But that is pretty much it. This review wasn't too long because there's not really much to say about the product in general besides what it says on the packaging, and I just pretty much told you guys how it left my hair, which it left my hair soft, and my hair is not damaged. So it's kind of, you know, since it's for damaged hair, it's kind of a little bit hard to really talk about a difference in damage because my hair is not damaged. So but if your hair is damaged and you have tried this, let me know down below in the comments how you like this product. Even if your hair isn't damaged and you've tried this product, let me know down below in the comments. If you've tried anything from Not Your Mother's, let me know what products you like from that brand, as well as if you know any products from that brand that you think that I should try for my hair. Remember, my hair is low porosity. It does not like to hold moisture, so it needs moisture. So if you know anything from their brand that could work for my hair, let me know down below as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. If I had not said that already, probably have, but make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you are not. And don't forget to click on that bell. The bell will notify you when there's a new upload from me. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in my next one.